On my way to Tanji fishing village. Let me see what I can see. Obviously fish, hopefully. I'm not going to film the whole journey because it's a good distance. My arm may drop off before then. I'm on Butterfish Highway on the way to Tanji. What a bright, beautiful, sunny day. It's a sunny afternoon, known as family day. So most people are on the beach, relaxing, or doing whatever it is they choose to do on a Sunday. I wanted to go to Tanji fishing village today, so that's what I'm doing. Come along with me, enjoy the sun. I'm just passing Butterfish Heights. The beach and the sea is to your right. Obviously you can't see it because I'm on the roadside. Some very nice houses here. Nice houses all over Gambia, but specifically the ones here are quite huge. Over this side is what's known as Ghana Town, for obvious reasons. There's not only Gambian people live in Gambia, other people live here too. Look at that water. I'm going to put the camera outside. See what you can see. So I am now approaching Oh, beg your pardon, Tanji. That was another day's vlog. Oh, you can see how busy it is. There are plenty of people. So I'm going to stop vlogging now because people don't want to be filmed. I have to respect that. And we need to park also. So I'm actually now at Tanji fishing village. Some fish boats have gone out, some are coming back in. Oh, the sun is bright and beautiful. I'm not filming people because they will be upset, and I understand. Look at that water, look at that landscape. Oh. Look at beautiful sky. More boats already shored. Look at that. All everywhere. The beach is everywhere. There's thousands. Oh, listen to those waves. You see, they start to tie the fishing boat when they're near, and then people will come in with their buckets to get their particular catch, and then they sell it right here, fresh, straight from water to your table as soon as it's convenient for yourself. I hear them talking about barracuda, ladyfish, butterfish, red snapper. Those are the ones I hear them calling continuously. I've seen something that looks a little bit like sprat. I've seen sardines, and the ladies are here. They will sort the fish out and they will be gutting it. You can see they're carrying the fish in the wheelbarrows, and also they are also carrying them just in their crates, however they need to carry it, however that needs to be. So, but what skill and ingenuity is needed for these things? People are very, very clever, very clever. Don't ever underestimate. See, look at this man here. He's got his selection of fish that he requires, and he has them there in his hand. Oh.
You are enjoying anything, huh?
So, I can't get over how beautiful it is, and all these women just busy and industrious. Listen to that water, beautiful, 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 beautiful waves, beautiful. So I'm getting out of focus now because the camera is getting hot now, because it's hot and you won't be able to hear me anyway. So let me just kind of end this now. So it's just to show you Tanji fishing village from boat to table in minutes. In minutes. Peace, Megan.